Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change display brightness on Dell Latitude laptop. And to do this, first we'll need to open our Start. Then let's go through the settings. Inside we want to select the system and then display. Now there's the slider and you can adjust your display brightness using it. And there's also other way to do it, and for that we can use the keyboard shortcuts. Now let's take a look. So we have the Fn button that we need to hold, and then there's F6 button and F7 button. If you click on F6 button, it should lower the brightness, and if you click on F7, it should increase it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.